Hello everyone, in this tutorial we are learning how to do this flying sources models. Let's have a look. Very nice models. Let's open the file. Offside curve. You will see I have already made these models, and now we are learning how to do these models. Let's start from the circle one. Okay. Go to click circle comment and read your comment bar. Center of circle. Input 0, 0, 0 and press enter. And read your comment bar again. And I need to cite my radius. Change it into 2.5 and 2.5. Press enter. And cool, I have drawn my circle. Offside curve comment. Here, this comment, you drag it, curve tools, and find our offside curve comment. Input your distance. I want it to be 2 and press enter. Click it, and then you can right click on your mouse, or you can press space or enter on your keyboard to repeat the same comment. Cool. And I do it again, right click. Select the curve, do it again. Cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another one, 7. Cool. I want the circle lines a little bit up. I input 0.5. This one is 1.5. Now it is 1. Oops. Control Z to fall back if you do a mistake. And I want it to be 1. This one is 1.5. Cool. Then let us use loft comment to create a surface. Go to surface creation tools. You don't need to know how to use this comment at the moment, but let us preview it. Click it. Select your lines one by one, and press enter, press enter. Okay, we choose normal one, and click OK. Cool, we have done our first model. Let's have a look at the second one. We go to polygon comment, click it, and input 0, 0, 0, press enter. Cool. And I want my radius to be 2. Okay, and use offside comma again. I can just input offside. Offside, no, this one. Go to right click. This one, right click. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I want the lines a little bit up again. The first one is 0.5, this one is 1, and this one is 1.5. Cool. Let us use loft comment. Select them one by one and press enter. And cool. Then we finish our second model. Let's have a look at the third one. Polygon again. Choose anywhere. And you can set your number of sides to 6. And radius is 2. Click it. Okay, go to use my offside comment again. Click it. And distance is too good. Press enter to repeat your comment or space on your keyboard. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Or you can do more lines, depends on you. Okay, let us make it a little bit up. 0.5. This one is 1. Press enter. This one is 1.5. Cool. Let us repeat the loft comment. Select them, the lines one by one. Press enter. And now you will find this form is different to this one, right? And because we can choose many options here. This one looks more similar, right? This one text, straight sections, you see, it's straight surface. And then uniform, we can choose loose for this one. And then if you zoom in a little bit, you find this is a single surface, all single surface model. If you choose closed loft, that's how look what will happen. The model becomes to a solid volume now. You see, it's not a single surface anymore. Then we select this option and click OK. Cool. They do all of these objects. Practice, guys. See you next time.